Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lamps, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.